guys, Dennis here back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1978 to 87 El Camino quarter panel emblems by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. They can be purchased individually or as a pair to fit your needs. Each emblem is precision manufactured from die-cast plastic out of case-hardened steel tooling. This ensures accurate fitment and authenticity to the original. At the end of the production line, every emblem is finished with a brushed steel face and satin black enamel paint that'll last for many years to come. In addition, we also include the double-sided adhesive backing for a straightforward installation. These emblems will be ready for installation upon delivery. We've sold thousands of these to satisfied customers, and their photos speak for themselves. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry. With decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.